Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Grace, also known as Miss Lava Faces, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm coming to you guys with a foundation review. It seems like a lot of companies are bringing out foundations now, and let me tell you, I am not complaining. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It says it's full coverage and that it lasts up to 24 hours, so this should be really interesting to try because not only does it say it lasts 24 hours and that is full coverage, but it's a drugstore foundation, and I don't think I've brought a drugstore foundation to my channel in a really long time, if I even ever did. So I'm excited to try this. I will be doing a wear test on it, so you guys will see how this foundation wears. I'll do a check-in like I did in my last one. So if you haven't seen my last foundation review, which was the NARS Radiant foundation, I'll go ahead and put it in the card section. You guys can go ahead and click that. Also, I will go ahead and link it down in the description box so you guys could check that out. So before I start this, if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts, which will be up in the top left corner, so you guys could go ahead and find me at those places. So let's go ahead and jump right into this foundation review. Like I said, I am trying out the Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation. It says it's supposed to last up to 24 hours. I definitely won't be having this on for 24 hours. Right now the time is 8:30 in the morning, so by the time I finish my makeup, I will tell you guys the time again, and then we'll do time checks throughout the day. Okay, so in this bottle you get 1 fluid ounce, which is the same size as the NARS foundation, but the NARS foundation, you guys know, is $49, so it's $50, and this I believe retails for $11.99. You could definitely see the price difference. The NARS is $49 and this is $12, and the shade that I am in is the shade Truffle. I believe that is the name. Yes, I'm in the shade Truffle and the number is 362. I want to say this might be the darkest shade. Maybelline does need to come out with more shade options, and like other foundations, it does have a pump, so that's good. I'm actually feeling this bottle though. I like it. It's not like, you know, it's not super fancy, but it's nice for a drugstore foundation. It doesn't look like cheapy. I'm not going to do anything crazy to manipulate this foundation to make it last longer. I already moisturized my face. I'm going in with my Hourglass Veil primer. As you guys know, I love this primer. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation with a damp beauty blender. So this right here is just 2 pumps. We'll see if 2 pumps will cover my face. You guys know I like a full coverage, so I like to start around the mouth area. Okay. Right away I could say it's lightweight, which it doesn't claim to be lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy, and I can already tell you with that 2 pumps, it's like already covering like the hyperpigmentation I have around the mouth, and I didn't even color correct, and like I don't feel like I need to add another light. Wow. Okay, Maybelline. Like, I don't really lean towards drugstore foundations just because I don't feel like I'm getting what I need from it, but I like this so far. It feels really nice and the coverage is really good. Like, I don't know if you guys could see that. Like, this is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without. And I still have some on my hand. I'll probably do one more pump, but wow. This foundation is bomb. So I just did one more pump, and we're gonna go ahead and do the other side of our face. I'm sure I could have gotten away with 2 pumps, but you know, I'm using a beauty blender, and beauty sponges tend to soak up product, so sometimes you have to use more than you would normally use. But oh my gosh, guys, okay, let me just finish. Okay guys, so I already finished applying the foundation, and let me tell you right away, one, it feels very lightweight on the skin, which I really do like. Two, it has covered up like my old acne scars, which are very few. It completely covered up my mole right here, like you can't even see that it's there. And it covered up like some of the freckles that I have over here, and the hyperpigmentation around my mouth. Like, it's completely covered, and I used 3 pumps. Like, that is bananas to me. Right away I can say I'm really feeling this foundation. Like, only 2 pumps, 3 pumps, and it already did all that. I was able to do my whole face with just 2 pumps. That's crazy. So what I'm going to do is, it does look a little red on camera, but I do think it's an okay. Once I do like highlighting and contouring, I think the color is going to be perfect. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize throughout the day, but I'll make sure to tell you guys if it does. So let me go ahead and finish my makeup, and I will be back. Alright, so I went ahead and finished my makeup. I know I look like super glam, but I went ahead and filmed a Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll go ahead and leave it in the card section. Also, I'll put it down in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and check in with you guys throughout the day so we can see how this foundation is holding up. I will be looking different because I will be taking my wig off, and I won't have my lashes on anymore. So I'm going to check in with you guys throughout the day to let you know what I think about this foundation. And let me tell you right away, I can tell you these 3 things. That one, it's lightweight, it does have really nice coverage, and the finish is like a semi-matte to matte finish. So I'm really liking those 3 things about it right away. And you know what, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with this foundation. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it is right away. I didn't do anything to manipulate the foundation like I told you guys. I just went ahead and did my makeup like I normally do. I did some highlighting, some contouring, and some powder to set everything. So it's nothing that I don't normally do. Granted, I didn't use any like setting spray, you know, oil control setting spray. I didn't do any of that just because I want to see how this foundation really does wear. So I will come back to you guys throughout the day. The time right now is 10 o'clock. So we'll see. We'll see how long I can keep this on for, and we'll see how it wears throughout the day. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come real quick and just do a quick update on the foundation. I know, sorry if I look tired, because I am. It's 4:30. Also, I have Naomi over here sitting on the bed, so if you hear her, she's just playing on the bed. But I wanted to quickly just do a check-in with this foundation. It's probably going to be the only check-in I'm going to do because I low-key am ready to take it off. As you guys can see, I am oily, like not completely in my, yeah, I'm oily in my T-zone. I didn't touch it up at all though. Like I said, I've been in the house doing housework. I've been cleaning nonstop. And I'm also getting ready to run to the grocery store. So I have been doing a lot in this foundation. So yeah, it does break through around the 6 hour mark. Has it been 6 hours? Yeah, like about this 5-6 hour mark, I noticed that I started to get oily. So it does look nice and it does go on nicely. But if you're really oily, if you have oily skin, you just want to make sure you really put a really good primer on. Normally when I do wear foundation, I put my primer spray on as well to help with the oil control, but I didn't do that. I'm sure if yeah, I'm sure if I did that and I used a mattifying primer, I'm sure I wouldn't have gotten as oily as I am now so quickly. But I really like this foundation. I'm actually going to wear it again tomorrow and see how I like it again. But when I first put it on, it looks so nice. And I'm sure if I touch it up, it will look really nice again. So that's my final thoughts on the Maybelline foundation. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. By now, you already know my full thoughts on this foundation. If you guys don't already know, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on all my social media accounts, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.